In a dramatic downturn on Wall Street, U.S. stock markets plunged on Friday, continuing a massive $2.5 trillion market sell-off that has investors on edge. Concerns over an intensifying trade war between the U.S. and China, coupled with fresh jobs data and anticipation surrounding a major speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, have triggered widespread panic in the financial world. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped by roughly 1,000 points, a 2.2% decline. The S&P 500 followed with a 2.5% drop, while the Nasdaq Composite, dominated by tech stocks, slid 2.6%. This sharp sell-off gained steam after China announced a sweeping 34% tariff on all U.S. imports, set to take effect April 10th. The move mirrors the 34% tariffs announced by former President Donald Trump earlier in the week. The tit-for-tat tariff exchange is fueling fears that diplomatic negotiations are giving way to economic retaliation, raising the specter of a prolonged global trade war. Economists are warning that the U.S. economy could be pushed toward a recession if trade tensions remain unresolved. Meanwhile, the latest jobs report provided a mixed picture. The U.S. added 228,000 jobs in March, surpassing expectations. But the unemployment rate inched up to 4.2%. All eyes are now on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who is expected to address the economy and inflation in a highly anticipated speech later today. Investors are closely watching for any indication of a policy shift, especially as speculation grows that the Fed may cut interest rates up to 4 times this year to counteract slowing economic momentum. Thursday's market turmoil was the worst single-day sell-off since 2020, with global markets tumbling as Trump defended his trade moves from aboard Air Force One. The former president claimed the tariff rollout was going very well, but signaled flexibility, saying he's open to phenomenal trade offers that could reduce the aggressive new duties. The situation remains fluid, with markets bracing for more volatility in the days ahead. Stay tuned to Broadcast News Network for the latest updates on this developing story.